Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to embed a form into a Weebly account if that is the software you are using to build and host your website. So let's start off in our editor settings for our website. Now let's scroll down to the area where we want to embed our form. Here we have a section where it says to drag elements here. So on the left hand side elements panel, we can scroll down a bit to find the arrow with show all elements. Then we should see an embed code element in which we can drag that into our empty section. Then we can double click anywhere in the embed code box, which will then get a custom HTML box to pop up. Then let's click on the edit custom HTML, and that is where we can paste in our embed code. After pasting in the code, we can click outside the box and then our form should pop up. Well, part of it, as you can see. Right away you probably notice that the form is being cut off. To fix this, we need to double click the form and go back into the edit custom HTML options. Now we are looking for the word height, equal sign, and a quotation mark. In most cases when embedding a form, the height will be 100% to allow it to fit into any size container, large or small. In my case, since the area/container I want to use for my form is a little small, I need to manually adjust the height. For the form we can keep the width to be 100%, but need to change the height to be a certain pixel height. So we can go into the height and change it from 100% to say 400 px. The px is what stands for pixels. Then we can click outside the box and you will see it update and show the entire form. With the width being 100%, it is still going to be responsive for desktop and mobile, but now that the height is at a fixed mark, it will always appear at 400 pixels on a screen. Real fast, to show you what I mean, I'll click on the mobile preview to show you that it will still be responsive, but just larger from a height standpoint. And there you have it. It is desktop and mobile ready, and just like that, you now know how to embed your form into Weebly. With Weebly, you will need to remember to adjust your form's height, but after that, it will still work for desktop and mobile screens. Thanks again for watching the video, and please leave a thumbs up if you found the video useful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to know when a new video drops. We'll see you in the next one.